Hello friends, the fourth exercise now. Following is the receipts and payments account of Satara Sports Club. Satara, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019. You are asked to prepare only income and expenditure account here. The accounting year is 2018-19. The receipts and payments account, the opening cash and bank balances not useful here. Then we received subscriptions. The current year is 2018-19. For this year we received 44,500. This amount will be credited to income and expenditure account because of current year's income it is. The previous year subscription and the next year subscription will not be shown in the income and expenditure account. We received entrance fees, that's income, donations for building fund, it's liability. We received interest, it's income, and we sold a furniture, and by selling the furniture we got 4,500. But the furniture was of rupees 8,000 and we sold it for 4,500. And in the expenditure account, the difference between these two values is shown. Here we are in loss, isn't it? We sold our furniture at a price lesser than its book value, and the loss is 3,500. Only 3,500 will be shown in the income and expenditure account. This loss will be debited to income and expenditure account. Okay. Payments now. We paid for salaries, expenditure. We paid for rent. What amount we paid for rent? We paid 5,000, but it includes 2,000 for the previous year. Only current year's rent will be debited to income and expenditure account. 5,000 minus 2,000. Only 3,000 will be debited to income and expenditure account. Then electricity charges, expense, FD is asset, printing and stationery expenditure, general expenses also expenditure. The amount we paid for general expenses this year is rupees 5,500, but it includes rupees 500 for the next year. So only current year's general expenses will be debited to income and expenditure account. Means 5,500 minus 500. Only 5,000 belongs to this year, and that amount will be debited to income and expenditure account. Sports material purchased. Sports material is expenditure. It will be debited to income and expenditure account. Closing cash and bank balances are not shown in the income and expenditure account. Fine. Now adjustments. Outstanding subscription for the current year is rupees 4,500. Though it is outstanding, it is of the current year. So it will be credited to income and expenditure account. It will be added to the subscription. Then outstanding rent for current year amounted to rupees 1,000. This is the outstanding rent, outstanding expenditure, and of the current year. So it will be debited to income and expenditure account. It will be added to the rent. Entrance fees are to be treated as revenue income. Okay, we are going to show entrance fees on the credit side of income and expenditure account. And this is the only challenging adjustment here. What is that? Stock of sports material on 1st April 2018. last year's remaining sports material must have been used in this year. So opening stock of sports material plus new purchases minus closing stock, then we will get the exact amount of the sports material used this year. And we already have studied such kind of adjustments in the previous illustrations, isn't it? So the point is, the opening stock will be debited to the income and expenditure account, then new purchases of sports material will be added to the opening stock. Here it is rupees 40,000. Will be added to the opening stock, and then the closing stock of sports material will be deducted from that total. This is the closing stock of sports material. It will be deducted because it was not used in this year. That's why it is still there on the closing date of this year. So 6,000 plus 40,000, 46,000 minus 14,000. Opening plus new minus closing. That formula will be used to find out the exact consumption of sports material, exact use of sports material in this current year. Okay. Now let's see the solution. It is available here. One of our curious students have already solved this problem. Here it is. Salaries, rent, minus for the previous year rent, and plus outstanding for the current year. So exact rent for this year is 4,000. Here we can see loss on sale of furniture, that is 3,500. Electricity charges, printing and stationery, these are expenses. General expenses minus prepaid, which have been paid for the next year. That's why it is called prepaid. And we can see the exact amount of general expenses for the current year, rupees 5,000. And the most important point is opening stock of sports material plus new purchases minus closing stock. By that way, sports material consumed for this year is just 32,000. Look at the income side. 44,500 was the subscription received for this year, and plus outstanding for this year 4,500. Total subscription for this year is now 49,000. Entrance fees, income and interest, that is also item of income of this concern. By that way, when we compare the two sides of this account, we come to know that income is greater than expenditure by rupees 5,900. And this excess of income or expenditure is called surplus. We are happy here. And this surplus will be added if balance sheet is prepared to the capital fund. But here we are not going to prepare the balance sheet. Even if we try to prepare it, we will not be in a position to prepare it perfectly, because all the necessary items are not given in the problem which are useful to prepare the balance sheet. So just prepare income and expenditure account and feel confident about it. Okay? Thank you very much.